The F-22 Raptors and F-35 Lightning to represent two of the most advanced fighters in the world, but they cater to different roles and come with distinct costs. The F-22, designed primarily for air superiority, boasts a staggering price tag of around $150 million per unit, with production numbers capped at just 187 due to its high cost and strategic focus. In contrast, the F-35, with its multi-role capabilities, has a lower unit cost of approximately $80 million, aiming for mass production with over 3,000 units planned across various models.